Hello kids! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn about different parts of flower. Flowers have several different parts, each with its own important function. Here are the main parts of a flower. Sepals, petals, stamens, carpels. The stamens are the male part, whereas the carpels are the female part of the flower. First come sepals. These are the small, leaf-like parts growing at the base of the petals. They form the outermost whorl of the flower. The main function of sepals is to protect the flower before it blossoms. Next are petals. This layer lies just above the sepal layer. They are often bright in color. Main function of petals is to attract pollinators such as insects and butterflies to the flower. Next comes stamen. These are the male reproductive parts of a flower. They are structurally divided into two parts. First is filament, the part that is long and slender and attached the anther to the flower. Next is anthers, it is the head of the stamen and is responsible for producing the pollen. Last come carpels. It is the female reproductive part of the flower. It is usually located in the center of the flower and consists of three parts. First is stigma. It is the sticky surface at the top of carpel. It captures pollen. Next is style. This is the tube-like structure that connects the stigma to the ovary. Third part of carpel is ovary. It is the swollen base of the carpel that contains the ovules, eggs. Lastly, if you liked my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give thumbs up. See you soon.